Ladies and gentlemen, it's Ben Malapile here and I'm back with another property tour. Today I have an immaculate one bed, one bath apartment for sale in Isabel Estate. Welcome to this immaculate one bed, one bath ground floor apartment in Isabel Estate. This is your kitchen. You have a sink, an extractor fan, an induction stove, an oven, and space for one undercounter appliance. All the cabinets in the kitchen are handleless. You can see it's immaculate, in a very great condition. Space for a small dining table there. This is your lounge. It's tiled throughout. Which leads out to your small garden with artificial grass. Back into the apartment, you have your bedroom. Bedroom closes up just like this. And opens up same way it closes. Bedroom is well sized. And you have built-in cupboards as well, which are also handleless. Next, we have the ensuite bathroom with a shower. A new towel rack and a vanity mirror. The basin and space underneath the basin as well. Pretty cool, right? This is one of the kids' play areas, and this is the clubhouse with a pool. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the one bed, one bath ground floor apartment for sale in Isabel Estate. If you'd like to schedule a private viewing, just click on the link below.